Hello, and welcome to the School of Japanese online channel. On this channel, you'll learn how to master how to write and read Japanese, which includes hiragana, katakana, and kanji in 3 easy steps. Are you ready? Let's get started. This lesson is split up into 3 sections. In the first section, you will watch the strokes of each letter 3 times. Your job is to watch and learn from them. In the second section, you will learn the details of each letter. And in the last section, you will write along with the screen with your finger. Before we start this lesson, let me briefly explain what hiragana is. Hiragana is the basic Japanese alphabet and it consists of 46 characters. Its pronunciation is the same as its katakana counterparts. However, hiragana's characters uses more curved lines rather than the katakana characters, which uses straighter lines. This is A. It has 3 strokes, 1, 2, and 3. The first stroke starts on the left, goes across like this, and ends here. The second stroke starts on the top, crosses with the first stroke, and it goes back down like this and ends here. The third stroke starts on the right, goes across to the left like this, goes up, back towards the second stroke, crosses it, and make a big letter C like this, and ends with a slash here. This is E. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts on the top left here, goes down like this, and ends with a slash upwards. The second stroke starts on the right here, goes down like this, and ends here. This is U. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts from here, goes diagonally down to the right like this, and ends here. The second stroke starts from here, goes to the right, down, and ends with a swirl at the bottom here. This is E. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts at the top left here, goes diagonally down to the right like this, and ends here. The second stroke starts from the left here, goes across to the right, diagonally down to the left, and ends with kind of like a squiggly line here like this, goes to the right, down, and ends here. This is O. It has 3 strokes, 1, 2, and 3. The first stroke starts on the left, goes across to the right, and ends here. The second stroke starts on the top, crosses the first stroke like this, goes to the bottom here, and then to the left, crosses past with the second stroke here, and makes a backward C and a slash at the end. The third stroke starts from here, goes diagonally down to the right like this, and ends here. Remember the 5 hiragana as one unit. We have learned the first 5 a, I, U, E, O so far. Let's say aloud a, I, U, E, O 3 times out loud so that you won't forget. Ready? Go. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. Good job. This is ka. It consists of 3 strokes, 1, 2, and 3. The first stroke starts from the left, goes across to the right, goes down, and makes a slightly upward slash at the end. The second stroke is a slightly diagonal line going from the top to the bottom left. The third stroke is a short, slightly diagonal line that's next to the second stroke. This is ki. It consists of 4 strokes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first stroke starts on the left like this and ends here. Second stroke is slightly below the first stroke, starts here, and ends here. The third stroke starts from the top, goes down, and makes a slash towards the left. The fourth stroke is down below and makes a swooshing shape. This is ku. It only has 1 stroke. It starts at the top right like this, goes diagonally down to the left, and then diagonally down to the right. This is ke. It has 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. The first stroke starts at the top left here, goes down, and makes a slash upwards. The second stroke starts from here, goes across to the right, and ends here. The third stroke starts from the top, crosses the second stroke, keeps going down, and ends with a slash towards the left. This is ko. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts at the top left, goes across to the right like this, and ends with a slash downwards. The second stroke starts from here, goes to the right like this, and ends here. Let's say aloud kaki kuke ko 3 times out loud so that you won't forget. Ready? Go. Kaki kuke ko. Kaki kuke ko. Kaki kuke ko. Good job. If you want to learn more, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you won't miss the new lessons when it becomes available. And if you want to learn anything else related to Japanese, please let us know by writing down on the comment section below. Thank you.